Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Platinum Edge expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This is a simple high-low breakout system designed for 1 hour time frame and higher time frames. No fancy indicators, just pure price action. And I ran a full year backtest on gold, so we'll see everything and we'll see what the numbers actually show. But ensure you watch this video to the end to actually get the full picture. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below. So make sure you check it out, it's totally worth it. Now, according to the MKO5 page which we are on, the Platinum Edge was developed by Mwale Bridget and he's from Zambia. He's not quite popular on MKO5 community as he doesn't have any ratings or multiple products, and this expert advisor just goes for 95 US dollars, which is on the lower side. It was published on 23rd March this year, 2026, and it hasn't had any updates ever since. Now, this is a fully automated breakout robot. It looks back a configurable number of bars. It identifies the recent swing high and low and enters when price breaks those levels. The idea is to catch momentum moves with precision, and it includes spread, slippage filters. It only trades on new bars to avoid over entry and uses fixed stop loss and take profit. And the developer emphasizes safety features, margin protection, and clean execution rather than aggressive strategies. There's no martingale, there's no greed, there's no averaging, according to what the developer says here. And it is marketed as a consistent low maintenance system for Forex, metals, and CFDs on the 1 hour time frame or higher. And you can see some screenshots from the developer of how it works. We do not get any backtest results or backtest information from the developer. This is all we have. These pictures of how the expert advisor works in real time. You can see this AUD 1 hour time frame short. I have the GBP USD shorts as well. Basically open multiple positions. This is how it works. Now, since we do not have any backtest from the developer, we will rely on my backtest, which I'll be showing you in a minute. But before that, let's talk about the features highlighted by the developer. They highlight the look back based high-low breakout logic and the configurable stop loss and take profit in points, the max spread filter. They also highlight slippage control and the fact that it only opens one position per symbol. The settings are kept simple and transparent, and these are the settings actually. We just have the stop loss points, take profit points, look back bars. Very simple, and all of this can be edited as well. You can edit these settings, but these are the defaults from the developer himself, and using these defaults from the developer, I used it to run a backtest on gold, the 1 hour time frame, and it was run from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 starting balance, and it produced a modest $313 net profit. This is it right here, and the profit factor was 1.57, win rate only 45%, and there were just 31 trades in the entire year. This is 31 trades in the entire year, and the max equity drawdown stayed very low at 2.36%. The equity curve shows a slow, choppy upward drift with several pullbacks and slight decline near the end. You can see here, and the results are based on historical performance and they can differ depending on market conditions and the position size or risk settings used. The fixed 300 point stops and 600 point target create a clean 1:2 risk to reward ratio, but the low win rate means you need the winners to be larger on average, which they were out of 31 trades taken in the entire year of this backtest. Honestly, this is pure breakout system and it's simple and it's relatively safe, but they suffer from false breakouts, especially on gold. And we know gold can be very, very volatile. So in practice, this means long quiet periods and clusters of small losses when the market ranges. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a basic low frequency breakout system with controlled risk and modest results in this test. It can suit patient traders who want simple rules and low drawdowns, but I would advise you avoid it if you need frequent trades or higher returns. As you can see, my backtest showed lesser returns, but that was just based off of the market context at the time of the backtest. Now, you can as well test it on multiple time frames before using it or before purchasing it. It goes for just 95 US dollars. Now, like this video if you found this real test helpful. If it helps you out, sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and also don't forget to grab the free Forex robot in the description below. Now that is it for the Platinum Edge expert advisor review. Thank you very much for watching. Trade safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.